abusia ma bi church obi biara me bisa so bia won te say na me gidi so ba da na da wo mo bia ho ye we mo amson for na na jam fi faculty abusia ejebo eja enya ba bedru that helicopter crash na a see on the 6th August 2025 from yankwa na yemra na yankwa yemra nyina na ene na yede report no ekopie mu o presidency na yede report no kopie mu o presidency no yenya researchers and as investigators na mo ko hwe mu de na ma sa atore nchem kesie ni siye no omupanyini baako na na obabedi animu de report ene research no mo ye nyina be kire Ghana for na okenkan bibia o presidency wie ye de kire mampanyini na pamfo eye bibia wie no we na Ghana for dodo na eba be kasem omene opanyin na o de report no ba ye na enya adwen because how hwe papa na nkasa yem ne nkika yem a it's like as a research no man sheda anya ne yie because in sense bi a wo keka ne nyoma bi o keka no obi o ye Ghana ni pa asem we wo mu o pese ohumu yie na wo interest wo mu no ankoye amano me na naja fi kura beti ame ankoye amame ko papa ne report no hwe papa ne dimi na actions bi as ahopopuation bi as no hopopo ahopopuation yes as no hopopo bi as no buafu bi as report no kura no as anwensem bi a ya twira ma akura to nko kan na akura ne hyeda animu because where papa ne the way I see can report on the way I see na it's like I say obi na aye na odi abehye no mute me why I say omo call sin ho ba be plane crash ni see na omo ye omo research investigations e bi say bita questions ahodo aye your report no papa yi ka ho but and now where papa ne demeanor now where na actions now where the way what he man report na utimu say we ya Ghana ni a enya wo it's like I say onim ni a oye na onim ni a wo keka enti Ghana for bebre keka say report na papa ndi aba no omonyi ntumu na nyi ntumu kina I on the day na helicopter ni betunu na everything was on board na bibia e kama the also be say engineer kama be na engineer kama no so be say na akade nketinketi bi na ni plane mu na de meanwhile on the day na plane no e crash here no police military report no kire say plane no were nowhere to be found na omu plane no na plane no ayira na kumate for soldiers wo kumate hu plane no akra for ntu hu plane no all of the sudden ye better say plane na crash am nipa dodo na ayedai afri but then in some na papa ne kan na to compare the initial report na buy na it means entirely emfa ye husu ye abusuan se bia utie mi no unnim ne ekoye ne baye anasa report na baye no obi nim ensema papa ne kan ye enti yanko ne yanko tie ensem kakra papa ne kan ya Ghana fo buafu mo so ne nya adwen ne ene ne nya adwen kira no mom yanko tie na ye ko tie ba ne ho bia na ya san de ato azo.
The investigation determined that the accident was caused by the sudden loss of altitude and lift due to downdraft. This loss of altitude without change in power or pitch altitude is consistent with downdraft associated with changing environmental conditions over high terrain. In our findings also, we said there's limited national navigational capacity, a capability for en route and remote area weather services. We also looked at training and realized that the Air Force doesn't have much simulator training. We looked at flight monitoring and realized that there was no flight data monitoring also taking place. For flight following and tracking of aircrafts, we realized that it was also not there. There's no secondary surveillance radar, no automatic dependent surveillance broadcasts, or any other real-time tracking of aircraft. Our safety recommendations. There is a definite need to modernize the fleet of the Ghana Air Force. We have recommended that the Air Force acquire modern aircraft with terrain avoidance warning systems and modern navigation systems. that the aircraft should have cockpit voice recorders and flight data recorders, which are the audiovisual capable types. That the Air Force should invest in simulators for recurrent training. That they contract certified aviation weather provider or providers, and that Ghana as a nation should try to have en route navigational aids, especially in remote areas. The Air Force should seriously consider establishing flight data monitoring and en route tracking systems. And finally, we believe that they need to acquire ground support equipment, modernize what they have. In conclusion, the helicopter accident was an unfortunate and sudden weather-related accident. Implementing the safety recommendations will prevent the reoccurrence of future accidents. At this time, before I take any questions, I just want to give a few acknowledgements.
Abutia enti report a papa ne de ba ya Ghana for dodo na complain esu kaso me ne nya adwen no report no na papa no gina wa na wa kare wa hwe ne dimi na hwe ne actions na hwe ne ya it's like I say he didn't prepare papa no am prepare and I thought sorry na oba say e bi oba be kan sem we dia to me wa ye ka kire mu say plane no or helicopter no ewo what do you call it? Black box no when a secret when a bibia de course plane mu nkomokura no mu di nyina no ni nyina ewo that black box no nti black box no report na papa yi ode manana ene na Ghana fo bisa say black box no report na because like black box no report na papa yi di maye na enke no ebema ye nyina ye hu say nkomo wei nana o mane boama ene yewura Dr. Saponi di nkomo wei nana soja ni wei ene former PC boachi edi nkomo wei nana wei mu di nke be kire ni nyina say ni say even mobile phones kra no ebia we ye ko we ye say ni nyina black box no mekire emra na o si ewiema yesum na plane no hu babia ni nyina ka black box no mekire babia crash de man ye de si ya ebi mu ehuri free empuma mu ana ebi enhura free empuma mu eja to mu ansa na blast ana eja to mu ansa na blast sa report we nyina papa na mfa ma ye yo papa na nkyere sa report we nyina ne okeka na ye nya Ghana for so mo ntiase ne ntiase kina ente report no mo je fa nipa 8 no mo wuye on the 6th August 2025 no most of the Ghanaians are saying say the report no omo nyintum na nyintum kina they should go there and then come back again because the omo keka no omo also mo bring Ghana for any so jo fact media demonstrate wo hwe wi na wa share na wa like na wa subscribe we mo amsomfo na Jemfi faculty abusia makramu